Hey guys, so I've been using my Amazon Prime account a lot lately, and I wanted to share a quick review. I recently ordered this Bella blender, that's the brand, and I got it in the cutest pink rose color. I'll be honest, after I bought it, I checked the reviews and I saw people weren't too happy with how this blender handles frozen fruit. And yeah, it does struggle a bit with heavy frozen blends, but for lighter smoothies or quick mixes, it still gets the job done. I liked it because of the color and because of the features. This is a digital blender, so it doesn't have like the clunky buttons as you can see here. You see it's digital, so everything is nice and flat and sleek. And I'm going to set it up so that you guys can see, how it works, and I can give my honest opinion and review. But that's the blender here. Isn't it cute? I love it. I also grabbed a few things from Amazon Fresh, just some essentials I was running low on. I love how easy it is to shop with them and have things delivered to your doorstep and not have to run out when I don't feel like going to the store, because today was definitely one of those days where I did not feel like going outside. And I want to say overall, Amazon Prime has been a real lifesaver for me. From gadgets to groceries, it's just convenient. It saves me time, and honestly, it saves money too. Because the stuff that I get from them that I would normally get from the grocery store is way cheaper when I order it off Amazon. For instance, the Simply Lemonade. Normally in the store, I would spend between $3.99 to $5.99, and they only charge you $1.97 for each lemonade. So I think that's like, you know what I mean? Like, wow, that's a deal. So yeah, let's continue with this haul. And once I put my groceries away, we're going to get to the blender so you can see how the blender made our smoothie for the evening. So I'm not sure about y'all, but even though I didn't go outside today and shop, I did all my shopping online. I still feel stackish. Like, you ever like go shopping and like immediately after you're done, you like, okay, where we're eating? That's exactly how I felt after I received my delivery from Amazon Prime and I put my things away. I'm going to make me a quick peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Do not judge me. I'm putting my bread on the counter because my counters are clean. Because I cleaned my kitchen and I don't feel like dirtying a plate. And this is a quick snack. But yeah, how do you like your peanut butter and jelly sandwich? Do you like more peanut butter than jelly? Or do you like more jelly than peanut butter? Or do you like it even? I actually like my peanut butter heavy and then like a good amount of jelly to like balance it off. But yeah, anyway, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your continuous support. So last week, my other blender broke. It was by Oyster. I got it earlier in the summer. So it lasted me a few months. I don't know what happened. I went to make a smoothie one morning and it just decided to stop working for me. So I had to purchase a new blender. Now, what happened is on that day, I didn't want to waste the product that I put into my blender that broke. So I had 2 bananas, some peanut butter, flax seeds. Like I had the whole thing in there and the blender just decided to crash on me. So I put it back in the freezer. So pretty much I'm reusing the stuff that was supposed to blend last week when I had a different blender. I know I'm rambling, but I just wanted to explain that. But yeah, I mean, for the most part, I guess it's blending, it's trying. I'm over here trying to figure it out. As you can see, it's like twirled around. I'm going to come in close so that you can see. There was like an electrical smell that I smelled, but I don't know if it was because I didn't have the piece on right. I'm not sure. So I'm going to rate the blender a 7 out of 10. As you see when I'm about to pour it, a little bit of, you saw that liquid come out. I was like, what the heck? But other than that, it blended well. I can see why some people complained about the resistance to the frozen fruit. But I enjoyed my smoothie. It blended well. And yeah, shout out to Amazon Prime. Shout out to Bella brand for this cute blender. And yep, I'll leave all the information in the description box and the smoothie recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye.